What's up, everybody? You guys miss us? I know you miss us. Listen, this video right here is just going to be a part one. I didn't want to part one it. I was going to make it a longer video, but I'm going to end up doing a part one for this video. And part two would be wrapping everything up. So that means the manifold's going to be fully put in. The new PMP runners are going to be fully put in. And the new knock sensor will be fully put in. And in video two, everything's going to be done, and we're going to show you how to get everything replaced and running properly. Now, I've been a little absent because I had COVID, and it kind of got us all, but we're good now. Everyone's much better, and a little shop update for you guys with video 2 coming out. That was all our light we had. Not the greatest lighting quality, but now shop upgrades. We got new lighting, and I'm gonna run 2 more. This is just a single light. I'm gonna run 2 more because they're connectable, which means this whole place is gonna be completely lit up and much better for videography and whatnot, and filming the vlogs. So like I said, we're gonna get into part 1, and part 2 will be coming real soon as I wrap this up. So thank you guys for the consistent support. Thank you guys for the love, and enjoy. What's up again? Welcome back to the next video. Today we're in the same clothes literally because like 15 seconds ago I just ended the previous video. So we started a new video now. In this video, guys, we're gonna be taking apart the 3.7 manifold. I'm gonna show you how to pull it off. We're gonna pull out the runners. I have to replace the knock sensor with an OEM knock sensor and the knock sensor sub harness. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get to it and pull that apart. And then 3.7 manifold install with the port and polished runners. Also, guys, don't forget, we're gonna be picking one of you guys to win one of our 3.7 manifolds. I was gonna say our 3.7 manifold, but that one is getting put on right now. Yeah. So the other 3.7 manifold we have, it is off of an MDX, a 3.7 MDX, which will work 100%. Just like any other one, you're probably gonna need a tune. Right now, what we're gonna do is pull off the top plate, AKA this. And then, once the top plate is removed, which is all these right here, you'll have bolts that anchor the manifold itself down. So we do have to pull off all these harnesses and get down to it. Muy sucio, muy sucio. All right, guys. So after pulling off this clip right here, there's a couple of vacuum lines that you got to pull off from down here, which actually we're missing one. I have to pull out that one. And there's a vacuum line right there, and then another one right there. And then there's a couple of other miscellaneous things you got to pull off along with all the bolts on top. Once you get down in here, you're gonna see bolt. It's just a bunch of bolts that go straight down. 10s and 12s. These right here. Oh, excuse me. These long ones. Yeah. Those go down, and that's literally holding your manifold in. See?
There's literally a bunch of 10s and 12s.
That's it. It's ready to pop off. So we're gonna pull this off, and oh look, there goes the gasket.
Yeah, it's still on there.
Yep. So we're gonna pull this off, and then we'll show you what we're working with. All right, manifold is off. We had a little hiccup. I didn't even know that there was coolant running to the throttle body. So those lines right there that are still hooked up, those are coolant lines, not vacuum lines. So one of them's a vacuum line. I was able to pull that off. Throttle body's off. Once you get the throttle body out the way, you'll be able to pull off the manifold. This is the manifold gone. There it is, the old manifold on the floor. Now, the runners are a little difficult. They're not that bad, but they're a little difficult. I gotta move the fuel rails out the way. Yeah, well, mine's are clean. Look at all that carbon buildup. That shit is disgusting. Damn! Woo! That's a lot of carbon buildup. But honestly, the runners are probably super easy to get out. They're probably the easiest thing. It's just a couple bolts, boom, boom, boom. It's probably like 6 bolts altogether.
Yeah, that's bad. That's real bad.
It's a lot of carbon buildup. This thing's gonna breathe nicely once I put the new stuff on.
I'm glad I did mine.
Yeah. Ugh. Anyways, so the knock sensor, ladies and gentlemen, is under that. So regardless, it has to come off. Guys. I have black valve covers, so my black valve covers are gonna go on probably before we hard install this, but this is just a mock-up. Check this out. Woo. It's just sitting. Oh, now it sits in place.
Now it's sitting.
But it's just sitting in place. But with the Downstar hardware on there, oh man. Woo! That looks good. My back hurt. All this bending and shit.
Bending over, baby.
I don't know about that. Alright, guys. So, in order to remove the runners, you have to pull the fuel rails out of the way. So it's pretty easy. You just pop out the switches right here, disconnect the clips. Then there's 2 8mm bolts holding them in on each side. Once you pull the 8mm bolts out, they literally just pop right out. After those get out the way, super simple to remove the runners. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts on each side, and then they wiggle out. It's pretty simple. And then your knock sensor, put some light in here, Terry. There goes your knock sensor right down there under that bolt. There, you can see it right there. That's the knock sensor. And after that, just pull that knock sensor out, redo the harness, and you're good to go. Perfect. How long we been fighting this bolt?
I don't know. I think it's been like 20-30 minutes.
One single bolt for the runner on that corner, and there's another one back there. The rest of them are easy. Literally just right here. That's it. Just take a 12 and just, you could probably even do it by hand once you get to a certain point. Yep.
Goddamn.
I'm done with this car. I'm just done with this car. Just need these out the way.
It's an RV6 with accelerate, with endless RPM.
Legit.
Your car's a mutt, bro.
It is.
It's a mutt.
Anyways, I just wanted this so that I can use this.
Yes, that wire is pulsing. I don't even know what happened to mine. Mine just like disappeared. A lot of my shit just disappears. I noticed that.
I got it. Damn, that magnet's strong as fuck. I got it. Yo.
So yeah, that might be it today, cause
yeah, this is it's getting kind of late, and this has been a mission to do the headlights, move the bumper, pack up the headlights, pull off the manifold, all this shit. I mean, it's not running anytime soon. It's not gonna move anywhere, so this will be a wrap on today's segment. Wow.
It's graveyard.
Gotta love some good friends.
I'm just kidding.
I'm going to see if I can just pull this out just so I can get the new knock sensor in. And then once that's done, we'll call it a wrap for the day. Alright guys, literally the last bolt is fighting us. And it's literally just one bolt holding the runners in. So I'm gonna pause for today. It's already late, so we're gonna leave it where it's at. I'm not even closing the car up. Trunk stay open, hood stay open. It's locked in here. Nothing's gonna happen. Battery is disconnected, so I'm not worried about that. We got the 3.7 just sitting there because I don't want to leave the runners exposed. So I'm going to put something in here, and I'm going to shove that hole with a rag, and we should be fine. But man, oh man, this is a pain in the ass. So if you guys are doing a 3.7 swap, one of you guys is gonna do it because we're gonna give it to you. Just actually, I'm lying. The 3.7 swap is easy. It's the knock sensor and the port and polish runners. That's a pain in the ass. The 3.7, we could have had it already on if I didn't have to change the knock sensor, or if I didn't want to change the runners to the port and polished ones. But the fact that I have port and polish runners and that my knock sensor sub harness is broken and I have to replace it anyways, the job just became that much harder. But if it wasn't for that, it would have been done like 20 minutes ago. So yeah, guys, we'll catch you in a couple days. So see you then.